So we're having some great success with our YouTube channel, and when we hit 500 subscribers, we're going to give some Raceline wheels away for your truck or side-by-side. Follow in and subscribe. We'll let you know the details a little bit later. To take the Class 1 out in the desert. The last time I drove this car, it was over the finish line at the Baja 1000 last year. John and I completely tore the car apart with the help of some of our guys, rebuilt it, prepped it, and we're going to go out to see if everything's cool, if everything is the way it's supposed to be. We'll get it ready for the Mint 400.
Hey guys, I'm John Ramirez, one of the drivers and prep guys of the Penhall Diablo Class 1. Spent the last few weeks tearing it down, replacing all the heims, all the hardware, putting life back into it, just giving it a fresh prep. So getting ready to go test and see if it's ready for the Mint 400. Check over.
Gotcha, loud and clear.
So we just unloaded the car. We're out in Jean near the lake bed, and John ripped it out there. We've got a little 7-mile section that's probably like 1-2 foot whoops out to the lake bed and back just to warm it up, put some heat in the shocks, make sure the fluids are where they need to be. And then when he gets back, we'll just look the car over one more time, then we'll take it out and rip it.
What are you checking out right now?
Leaking fluids, any bolts that came loose, something out of the ordinary. Something that will put you out of the game on race day. If we forget something on prep, I mean, so far everything looks good.
Cool. Have fun.
So we just got back from the Mint 400 race course, doing our testing in the Class 1, and the car rips.
The car ran good. Everything was good. There were just little tiny things that we need to address before we run the Mint, but otherwise the car's ready to go.
We had a sneaking suspicion the radiator was on its way out, and ordered a new Ron Davis one yesterday, and it's definitely about to explode. So
yeah, we started seeing steam popping out of little holes in places that steam shouldn't come out of, so we need to swap the radiator out, and then that's the last major part, and then the car's ready to run again.
Have you guys ever ran the Mint 400 in this car before?
ooh.
The Mint 400's been unkind to us. Like, this will be the third year that we attempt to run the Mint 400. First year we lost an alternator, brand new alternator, lost it at race mile 2, and we replaced that, got back in the game, had fuel pressure issues, and we finished 2 laps, and then we timed out. They shut us down. Second year, we made it to race mile 170, and like a power steering bracket snapped in half, due to metal fatigue. So we were out of the game there. And this will be the third year. Hopefully, third time's a charm.
Yeah, this is our year of redemption. After we've prepped a car and finished the Baja 1000, if we can't finish the Mint, we had some bad luck, or I don't know what happened.
The Mint has been unkind to us, but hopefully this will be our year.
Do you guys have already planned driving duties and sections, or not yet?
I think so. I think we're going to have Cameron lead the line. He's going to lead the starting line. And then maybe I'll take the car over at race mile 150, 170, somewhere around there, and bring it home. So Cameron always drives the later sections. He always gets the car when it's destroyed, or like it's coming in on, it's limping in, and oh yeah, here's this trash car, good luck. So we're going to give him a fresh car to lead the starting line.
Just wanted to thank a couple people. The liquid moly oil, this car runs great. It's very smooth. That motor, we never saw the oil temps reach over 210 degrees. We got great tires from BF Goodrich. No flats, again. No flats in the Baja 1000. We got these strong wheels from Raceline. They're some of the best looking bead locks in a wide 5, the new Rhino wheel. And thanks for everyone else that's helped us and keeps rooting for us to get across the finish line. I hope you like our video. If you like it, please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you at the next one.